Welcome to Unit 1 of AP Precalculus, Functions and Their Representations. In this video, we'll cover the most important concepts you need to know, and review common problem types you'll see on the exam. A function is a relation where each input has exactly one output. Example, fx is 2x plus 3. Two key ideas, domain and range. Domain is the set of inputs. Range is the set of outputs. If every vertical line hits the graph once, it represents a function. Functions can be shown as equations, tables, graphs, and verbal descriptions. Equations, for example, fx, shows x, 2, 4. Tables list input-output pairs. Graphs show the relationship visually. Verbal, the square of a number minus 4. Be able to interpret each representation and move between them. Describe features, vertex, intercepts, and end behavior. Match forms by checking consistent inputs and outputs. Read domain and range directly from a graph when possible. Tables often represent discrete data. Graphs can model continuous behavior. Practice translating, equation to table, to graph, to words, and back. Linear, fx, or mx plus b. The graph is aligned with slope m and intercept b. Example problem, find f3 for fx or 2x, 1, substitute to get 5. Quadratic, fx or ax2 plus bx plus c. The graph is a parabola. Example, fx or x2, 4x plus 3 has vertex at 2, 1. Absolute value, fx, asterisk x. The graph is a v-shape. Example, fx, asterisk x. 2 basi plus 1 has vertex 2 1 exponential fx asterisk a bx. The graph grows or decays rapidly. Example, fx asi 3 by 2x has y-intercept 3 and doubles each step. Remember shapes and features, slope, vertex, cusp, and asymptote. Identify function types by their distinctive graphs. Next, how transformations shift, reflect, and stretch these graphs. Vertical shifts. Fx plus k moves the graph up or down. Horizontal shifts. Fx, h moves right if h is positive. Reflections. Fx reflects across the x-axis, and Fx reflects across the y-axis. Vertical scaling. Afx stretches if a1 and compresses if 0, a1. Horizontal scaling. Fbx compresses when b is greater than 1. Order of operations matters. Apply horizontal changes inside, then vertical outside. Know how each transformation affects the graph and key features like vertex and intercepts. Recap. Functions map input to output. They have multiple representations, and transformations shift, reflect, and scale graphs. Graph, fx, sure 2x, 1, 2, plus 3. Identify the vertex and describe transformations. Solution, vertex at 1, 3. Shift right, 1, vertical stretch by 2, then up 3. That's Unit 1 of AP Precalculus. Be sure to practice with example problems and check out the next unit where we dive into exponential and logarithmic functions.